those of you interested in herbalism, today I'm going to be straining the fire cider that I started a while ago. And there's been a lot of questions from you all on tinctures, herbal oils, anything infused like this. What happens if I let it sit too long? Well, just so you know, this one I started in the middle of January. It is now the middle of March, and I should have strained it a month ago, but I'm not worried. I know it's going to be great. Fire cider is something you can make in the winter to help bolster your immunity, and I have used this several times throughout the winter when I was feeling like I was coming down with something, and I never did get sick, so I do feel that it is effective. I did another video on how to make this, so you can check that out. For now, I'm just going to take the top off. Still smells great, using my 5 senses to determine that having it set for a while longer, it hasn't hurt it. And then I'm straining it right into a pitcher because I know that it'll be easier to then pour into the jars that I'm going to permanently store it in the refrigerator. So this liquid is just going to be put into jars or containers and put in my refrigerator to use a little bit, drink a couple tablespoons a day. This is really cool. This stuff that's left over, you can put through your food processor and make a chutney. And I hate horseradish, but I actually think this is super good. You can put it on anything that you want a savory flavor for, where you just need a little touch of something. So the liquid's getting poured into the jars. This is my yield. It's perfect. It's piquant, it's sour. It sort of is a full frontal assault, but in the best kind of way. This is what you want. Some people like to add a little bit of honey at the end. If that's something that you want to do, that's fine. I don't feel like it needs it. All right, then the rest of this goes directly into the food processor with just a little bit of the liquid. So right in. So that'll help it to, I don't know, mix up easier. P.S. This is my grandma's like Cuisinart from the 1970s, and it's the best, except the only way that I can make it turn on is with a crochet hook. This only takes a few seconds. Make it as fine or as chunky as you want. There's the result. Add this to a big jar and then refrigerate. So we're all finished, and if you thought this was cool, this is the kind of stuff that my VIPs get one-on-one help with in my VIP coaching. So make sure you go to you know where and add yourself to the VIP waitlist for the next round of coaching.